Welcome back to Autopulse, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into a true icon of Indian motoring, the Maruti 800. This compact hatchback revolutionized the automotive scene, offering affordability, efficiency, and reliability. While it may not be in production today, it still holds a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts. In this review, we'll explore its exterior, interior, engine performance, safety features, and price, giving you a complete overview of this legendary car. So, if you love classic cars or just want to learn more about automotive history, stay tuned. Let's get started. The Maruti 800's design is simple, compact, and functional. With its boxy shape, round headlights, and chrome-accented front grille, it embodies a classic 80s and 90s hatchback style. The black color gives it a sleek and timeless appeal, especially when displayed in a luxury showroom. Despite its small size, the design maximizes space and aerodynamics. The small 12-inch steel wheels, minimalistic bumpers, and clean body lines keep it practical and easy to maneuver in city traffic. It may not have flashy modern aesthetics, but its charm lies in its simplicity and nostalgic appeal. Step inside the Maruti 800, and you're greeted with a basic yet functional cabin. The dashboard is simple, featuring an analog instrument cluster, basic air vents, and a straightforward layout. The seats are compact yet comfortable for city drives, with minimal cushioning and fabric upholstery. Storage space is limited, but it serves daily commuting needs well. There's no touchscreen, no power windows, and no luxury features, but that's part of its charm. The manual gear shifter and thin-rimmed steering wheel give a raw driving experience, taking you back to an era when cars were purely mechanical and engaging. Under the hood, the Maruti 800 is powered by a 796cc, 3-cylinder petrol engine, producing around 37 horsepower and 59 Nm of torque. While those numbers may seem modest, its lightweight body makes it surprisingly nimble. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the driving experience is engaging, especially in city traffic. Fuel efficiency is one of its strongest points, delivering above 18 km/h in real-world conditions. While it's not built for speed, its smooth gearbox, responsive throttle, and easy handling make it a reliable urban commuter. It's all about practicality rather than performance thrills. Safety wasn't the strongest suit of the Maruti 800, given that it was designed in an era where safety regulations were minimal. It lacks airbags, ABS, traction control, and modern crash protection. However, its compact size, lightweight body, and basic seat belts provided minimal safety for city driving. Later models came with side impact beams and slightly stronger body structures. In today's standards, it wouldn't pass global crash tests, but back then, it was considered adequate. If you own one today, adding aftermarket safety upgrades like better seat belts and reinforced doors would be a wise choice. When it was launched, the Maruti 800 was one of the most affordable cars, starting at around 50,000 rupees, $600 in the early 1980s. Over time, prices increased, but it remained a budget-friendly option. Today, in the used car market, well-maintained models range from $500 to $3,000, depending on the condition. Its low maintenance costs, high fuel efficiency, and nostalgic value make it a great buy for collectors or first-time car owners. While it lacks modern features, its legacy as an affordable, reliable, and iconic hatchback remains strong. Would you buy a classic Maruti 800 today? Let us know in the comments.